What's something people don't know about the latest budget phone? The Redmi 13 5G is here and it's shaking things up. Xiaomi has just unveiled the Redmi 13 5G in India, starting at only Rs 13,999. This sleek device features a massive 6.79-inch display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows or gaming on the go. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 AE chip, running on Xiaomi's latest HyperOS. It's a powerhouse wrapped in a stunning Corning Gorilla Glass back panel, giving it both durability and style. The Redmi 13 5G sports a dual-camera setup with a brand-new ring light feature. Capture sharp photos with the 108-megapixel primary camera and snap cool selfies with the 8-megapixel front camera. Worried about battery life? With a 5030 mAh battery and 33W fast charging, you're covered. This phone promises quick power-ups and long-lasting performance. So if you're looking for value without compromise, the Redmi 13 5G might just be your next smartphone.